channel, and it's Nikita here, and today I'm going to be doing a massive, humongous Nykaa.com haul. So if you are interested in watching what I got from Nykaa.com, then just keep on watching. So this is like the first box. I have got like 2 boxes from Nykaa.com. If you can see, begin with the haul. So this is how it comes in boxes. I got 2 boxes. Let me open the boxes. I've already opened the stuff. It came in a really good bubble wrap packaging. I had like 2 boxes and there was a lot of stuff. So this is how I've arranged it. It's a huge box and it is filled up till the brim. The entire box is filled. So let's start with the first product that I have for you is the Pantene Advanced Hair Fall Solution Conditioner. Now I have been using this conditioner for quite a lot, and this just doesn't dry my hair. It's a nice conditioner for winters, but for summers I think it would be a slight tad bit sticky. So let me just go on and use for the summers and let's see how it fares. So this is my first product and this one is amazing. For the winters it has fared really good. I've been using this before, so this is my second tube. The next product that we have is this L18 Glow Compact, and I'm in the shade Marble. So this is the compact, and packaging has changed of L18. I got it for around 80-90 rupees from Nykaa. And this is how it looks, and you just have to open it from here, and this is how it looks, and it comes with a puff and this a compact over here. This is in the shade Marble, and back in the days this was in a packaging which was like a round shape. It was not like this. It comes in this the old Lakme compacts that were there back in the day. It comes with this pink ring around. Packaging is a bit flimsy. I didn't like the packaging. Older packaging was way much better, but anyway, nice one. Then I've got the Lakme Radiance Compact. Now this one was my favorite. This was the first compact when I went to college. This is my cult favorite of all times. Like, I always used to have 3 or 4 of these in my house. One I would have in my college bag or school bag. One would be in the house. One would be in my hand purse. Wherever I would go, I would just buy this one. And the smell of this is really good. The fragrance is good. This also comes with a puff like this, and similar packaging like the L18 Glow Compact, but I would say that L18 has copied from Lakme Compact. And again, on the side there's a golden rim. Similarly in this one also there's a pink rim. And if you see, it's exact same packaging, but the products are different. I can tell you from the smell, and I've been using this for years. I might have used like 10 different tubs of this by now, or even more. This is my cult favorite. I really like this. So this one is like this, and at the back you have all the ingredient list, and it's like just in this cardboard open packaging. If it was like more closed or something, it would have been better. The next again I have from Lakme, and this is their Sun Expert in the shade. There's no shade to it, and it has SPF of 40 PA++. This is how it looks. I haven't even opened it, and summers are coming, so I thought SPF would be a good idea to use this one. And since it has no specific shade and color, it can go with any foundation. You don't have to worry about your complexion or something. It just melts into the skin. But it would have been better if there were more shades available in this. I would really appreciate Lakme, like it's doing with its other products, if they bought some shades into this, because not one shade goes on every skin tone, and Indian skin tones varies from browns to pinks to whites to warms to neutrals, nudes. So this one is a little that way. So it says it's non-sticky and skin protection. I am really sure that because this has SPF, it might be doing the job really good. This is how it comes. It has a handy mirror. The packaging is sturdy, and again it comes with the same sponge applicator and the sponge applicator is a bit different in this one, and again there's a plastic thing so that we don't lose the product. The smell is different. It's more like a sunscreen smell. I have 3 products from Nykaa going on with me right now. So I have a lipstick, I have a contour kit, I have a hand and nail cream. So I got this in the winters. This is the Nykaa hand and nail cream. It retails for 275 rupees, and if you can see, it is in the fragrance, or the fragrance is vanilla plus strawberry, and let me smell it. Subconsciously or unconsciously, it's one of the best one ever. So the next item I have is the Nykaa So Matte lipsticks in the shade 11 Naughty Nude. I really love this one. Oh my god, I saw this on Nykaa store one day and I was like just intrigued and taken aback. This comes in a bullet form like this, and the packaging is really something classy, small, but if you want to see any review on this, just comment in the comment section below and I would love to do a review on it. By the way, these are my first ever Nykaa product. Nykaa has been in India for so long, but still I was hesitant to try out Nykaa. I thought they might be of cheap quality and all of that, but this really amazed me and I was just flattered to buy this, and this is how it looks. So it's a neutral shade, it's a neutral nude brown with pink undertones, and this goes with any damn outfit, and you can wear it every day to work. It's not that brown, but one swatch is enough. It's so pigmented. I tried it out at a Nykaa store and I was in love with this color. The shade name is Naughty Nude number 11. The third product that I have is the Nykaa Contour Kit, and it is called Contour and Conquer. Now this is in the shade number 1 Sizzle Chisel, and this is how it looks. So this again has got magnetic, flip open kind of a thing, like it's lipstick. The lipstick also has a magnetic, closure. I really like the contour shade, but the highlighter is a bomb degree. Like, I did not like the contour shade so much as the highlighter, but the highlighter, just look at the pigmentation of the highlighter. Oh my god, oh my god. The contour shade is okay. I did not like it so much. It's okay, but it's not so pigmented, but it's really good for beginners. But the highlighter, I think I would just buy this again for its highlighter. The highlighter is so freaking good, like damn good. I did not expect that from Nykaa. I really like the lipstick, the hand and the nail cream. Nykaa, you're doing a good job. Next product that I'm having is again some hair care. So I have a hair care routine where I usually go for like masks and things like that. So I have a weekly hair mask routine, and for that I need these products. So these are the Himalaya hair cream. One I have is in the anti-hair fall variant, and the other one is the protein hair cream. And this has Bhringraj and Amla, and this one has chickpea and amla. So because there is protein, you need chickpea. So chickpea and amla, very good combination. And here you have Bhringraj and amla. So maybe Bhringraj has the anti-hair fall property, and Himalaya is a natural brand, and these are my cult favorites. I've been using these for like 7 years now. Since the time they were in market, I've been using these both products, and they are bombdegree.com. Like, oh my god, these products. And I do a lot of DIYs with these, and I have over the years made one recipe which is standard and which works for me, and I think it works for my mom also. So we both use these hair masks. The next product we have is Maybelline. So now all the products that I'm going to show are going to be from Maybelline. So the first one is the White Superstay Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless in the shade Shell or 118 Light Beige. But I think Maybelline has gone wrong here in naming this product. Back in the day, I had this product and it used to come in this white sort of a packaging, and the case and everything was so good, so nice, but it used to come in this packaging. I have the older one. It's a little messy, don't bother too much about that. And the newer version, the newer variant of this product is very flimsy. It looks something like this. This is the new one. This is the outer packaging and this is the inside. And I'll tell you, I'm very disappointed with this product. It is not like its older, older version. It is got a little messy, but this packaging and this packaging, there is Zameen Asman ka difference in it. So I brought it and the next day the mirror was out. I don't know where the mirror is. I don't know how it came out, but the mirror is just out from this. I'm so disappointed with Maybelline, or I don't know if Nykaa has cheated me and given me like a fake product. I don't know, but I am so disappointed. And I used to have, back in the day, two to three backups of this all the time. By this you can see I used to keep so many backups that when this got over, I was so upset that this has got over, because this was my regular powder after Lakme Radiance. If I don't get the shade Marble in Lakme, I would go for this one, and I would easily grab a Shell or a Marble because both were like very close to each other. So this was one of my favorite powders. But this one, I thought it was the same, but I'm not happy. And the other thing which is quite misleading is, now this retails for 480 rupees and this retails for around 150 to 200 rupees. How am I supposed to differentiate which one to go for? This one is in a flimsy packaging. This packaging is also not so great, but the quality of the powder is much better in this, and that's why they're charging you 480 rupees. Now this comes with a powder on top, a mirror, and a sponge like this, if you can see. So this is the sponge. I'm not so happy with the sponge either, and I don't like this, flipping it, taking the sponge and then applying it. So for applying it you need mirror again. If you want, you flip it down again, you do this. Like, what is this? What is this? I'm so upset with both of these compacts of Maybelline. This one, Maybelline hasn't done justice. It has launched the product just in a Jeopardy, and I don't understand, like, I really don't freaking understand what Maybelline is doing. Very disappointed, very, very, very disappointed. Next up, I have this lipstick from Maybelline again, and this is this needs no introduction. This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade Touch of Spice number 660. Now I have already used this up. If you can see, there's nothing left in the tube, and you must be thinking why this is in my haul. If I've used it up, it shouldn't be in my haul, right? But I've already bought this from Nykaa in the haul video, and this is my previous tube. Now I can't open that, I don't want to open, but let me tell you the packaging. It comes with a plastic thing wrapper outside, and if I've already bought a backup of the same freaking shade, which is Touch of Spice again, you can imagine how much I love this shade and this lipstick. It is amazing. You should give it a try at least once, at least once. This is an amazing product and I'm still using it. I've almost come to an end, but this one is bombdegree.com, and there are so many shades available in this, so you must try. The next product that I came across was like, which blew me out. I was completely blown. This is the Maybelline Color Jolt Matte Lip Paint, Intense Lip Paint, and this is in the shade Sleeping Naked. Now this product, like when you open this, it looks like it's a lip balm or something, but look at the applicator. I have used it once, but the applicator is like you just remove the product and it is so pigmented. Like this is one swipe of the product, one swipe. And not only that, this you can apply like a blush also. It gives a very very beautiful, you know, blush effect. You just need to take this product little bit, comes out like a cream. Just take it like this and just, you know, spread it out, and it gives you a nice, you know, flush. The color is so superb that it goes like a good summer blush. On the lips, it doesn't wash me out. Being such a light shade, I thought it would wash me out, but no, it did not wash me out. It is highly pigmented, and the formula is so comfortable that I don't know what to say. I haven't used this, but I just tried it because when I got this parcel, I just couldn't, you know, wait to open this up, and in a jeopardy, I just opened this and used it. The next product that we have is this. This is my second tube from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable. And oh my god, the coverage of this, it's somewhere between light to medium coverage, or sometimes medium to dark, medium to high coverage, depending on how much layer and how much you use it. But this is my second tube, so you can imagine how much I love this concealer. I've used this in the past, and this one just my heart just starts beating when I see this one, you know, anywhere. I'm like, just grab it, you know, you need it. So I know maybe I'm over exaggerating or something, but that's the case. The next product that I stumbled upon was this Maybelline Line Tattoo Crayon Pen. What I thought when I saw this was it comes in a cardboard box like this, and it retails for around 499 rupees, I believe. But this one is like, when I saw this one was like, it comes like this, and you know, usually no pencils stay on my waterline, but this one did not budge the entire day. And one swipe is so dark, just look at that, and it doesn't dry out, it doesn't get bad, it doesn't come out, it doesn't flake. It stayed for like minimum 8 to 10 hours in humid weather conditions, and which was like something amazing for me. Completely, totally worth the money, like completely worth. The next product that I have is again from Maybelline. It was a freebie. I really love it. It's so cute. Now when I open this up, the bristles of this brush, oh my god, they feel like any high-end brush. And you, like, Maybelline is very innovative and smart, like very smart. On one side you have this powder brush. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's so soft. And on the other side you have this foundation or concealer brush. It's a very smart move. You can use this for your blush, your powder, your entire face. Whereas this side you can apply your concealer, you can apply a foundation. But I love the bristles of this. Sorry, I forgot a review was going on, but I can't stop drooling over that brush. Maybelline has nailed it. And so again, this is the last product from Lakme, Maybelline and all those brands. Moving on, after this product would be Faces Canada. So this is the Lakme eyeliner in the shade green. So this is the Lakme Insta Liner. Again, this is my cult favorite because I grew up using this, and I have been using the black one since my childhood. This is the Lakme Insta Liner, the original one. The, you know, the markings have gone away, but this is the same one. If you see, like, the back, everything is same. Now this liner is to die for. Like, I really love this. Is the black one. This shouldn't be part of this haul, but because I can't resist using this, you know, So this is how it looks. This is the black one. It's so dark, it's water resistant and all of that. The green one, somehow like I liked it, but at some point it did disappoint me as well. Now my disappointment with this liner was not because of the liquid, the liner, the actual product, but with the wand. Now the wand is thicker even in that one, and it is thicker even in this one. Like they have come up with a new product, but Lakme has forgotten to modify a small little thing like a wand, and because of that, because of the wand being thick, it's very, you know, difficult to apply the liner. So if you just opened it and applied it, it would be very dark. It's quite pigmented. Let me show you the pigmentation of this. It's quite damn pigmented. Can you see this? It is so pigmented, like in one swipe, but it's very thick. If you see how it has applied, like this has applied thin, but this has applied so thick. Like I would have to, you know, actually remove the excess product and apply it, which is like a bummer. So coming on to Faces Canada, now we've got all the products from Faces. So I really like Faces product, and I purchased 3 of these lipsticks, you know, lip crayons, just because I was so happy with the first one. I don't have the first one with me, it's over. So it was the Faces Canada Ultime Pro matte lip crayon, and I have 3 shades. Comes in a box packaging like this, and once you open it here, you have this sharpener going on and this crayon going on. I haven't opened it yet. You can see it's all in the packaging. So this is in the shade Smoking Hot, and it comes with its own sharpener like this, and I really like this sharpener because, you know, you get this thing over here which just comes out. Yeah, it comes out, and you can remove the excess product from here. So this is like one of my favorite sharpeners, and I really like the concept of the sharpener. The next shade that I have is My Desire, and this is a very pink shade. This is very close to that Touch of Spice shade, but it's not exactly the same. There's a little bit of difference, not little, but quite a lot of difference between both the shades. But it's a pink nude shade, and I'm in love with pink nudes. I usually wear pink nudes all the time. I don't know why I'm wearing red today, because I always feel that red and black go hand in hand. So yeah, the next color I have is shade number 40, Evening Star, and it looks something like this. This is the shade, and you can see I haven't opened it up. And again, it comes with its own sharpener, which is like a yay, you don't have to buy or purchase an extra sharpener and all of that, and you're sorted. So I have the Faces Canada Intense Primer Plus Matte Lip Crayons, and I've got again 2 shades here. This is like a very old shade. You know, it used to come in this kind of a packaging, and this is also in the shade Berry. But this is Berry Punch, this is Berry Sorbet. This is the old crayons, Faces, and they were so pigmented. They are glossy and creamy, but these are matte version of the same one. They used to come in a thick crayon form, like a thick, you know. This is the old packaging, and they were not matte. So this one is matte, which is yay. And I don't know, I will have to do a detailed video on this. If you like to see the hand swatch, the lip swatch of this, and just keep on watching. This comes in the shade Berry Sorbet. Looks like this. Oh gosh. So this is like the one swipe of Berry Sorbet, and the other swipe is this shade, and this shade is Magnetic number 2. So this is Magnetic, and this is Berry Sorbet. Oh my god. Third is again a lipstick, and this is the Faces Canada Weightless Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Russet Brick. Now I don't like red too much, but for this video. I don't know, somehow I have a bit of reds. I don't say that I don't like them, but this is so matte. Can you see this? Look at the pigmentation, and oh fuck, this is so matte. Can you see this? It is better than the crayons. I think this is worth 299 rupees and this is for 799 rupees. And you should always look out if there is some offers on faces. They usually have this buy one get one free, and if you get a chance to get it during that time, nothing like it, like nothing like it. Last but not the least, the last product is this Faces Ultime Pro Face Contour Palette, and this palette is so freaking beautiful. It comes in a luxurious packaging and it costs 899 rupees. This is the cost of it, 899 rupees, if you guys can see it, but it's totally worth. And you always have discounts on Nykaa, so nothing like it. So this is how it comes. Like, I'm opening it right in front of you. Again, there is a packaging. Can you see this? And then it opens like this, and oh my god, this smells amazing. Oh fucking, so the colors are so pigmented, and here I like all the 3 shades. This is the first palette where I've liked the contour, the blush and the highlighter, but the highlighter is so freaking good. It just melts into the skin. Can you see this? Oh my god, this is the blush. I really love it. It's like a dusty rose color, and let's see the contour. Oh, the contour is quite pigmented. I did not expect it. If you can see this, usually I have seen in the palette, especially the Nykaa palette, the contour was not so pigmented, but the highlighter was amazing. This is the best palette, and I think I've saved the best for the last. And I think if anything you must have from this haul, then it would be this Faces Canada Ultime Pro Face Contour Palette, and this is in the shade 01 Fresh. It's a must have, like completely you must have. And this sorts all your face purpose, like your contour, your highlight, everything. So this is like a must have. The second product that I would recommend from this entire range would be this ColourJoy Matte Lip Intense Paint in the shade Sleeping Naked by Maybelline. It's awesome product, like awesome sauce. Like Shreya says, I love Shreya. I watch a lot of her makeup videos and they're amazing. Okay, and the third is these lip crayons. Both of these, you should at least have like one of these. Oh my god, these are PomDegree.com. I've already used this one in some peach shade. I don't remember the shade, but that I have just finished. I was like removing it, digging it, and all sort of, you know, stuff I was doing with that. This was another, like, PomDegree.com. If you want to have reviews on any of these, just let me know. I will do a detailed review. So I am anyway going to do detailed review of each product that I have here. So this is like my Nykaa.com haul. If you did like this video, then please like, share, comment, and if you really like, then please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot.